Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the console. Update Xbox to the latest system build and sign in. Once done, open Microsoft Edge. Xbox doesn't include Chrome natively, so Edge is the gateway. Make sure a USB or Bluetooth keyboard is paired because typing and tabs are faster. Use the controller for basic navigation, but switch to keyboard for URLs. This initial setup gets you to a browser environment where you can load Google services and run the next step. Now you navigate to Google. Com in Edge and sign into your Google account to sync bookmarks and history. Once signed in, go to the Chrome Web Store URL or search for web apps. If a page blocks mobile views, request the desktop site from Edge's menu. Make sure to add important pages to Edge favorites and pin them to the Xbox dashboard for quick access. This gives you Chrome-like workflows, sync data, web apps, and a persistent entry point without native Chrome installation. Finish by optimizing the experience. Enable full screen for immersive browsing and set Google as Edge's default search so you feel like using Chrome. Install progressive web apps when available to create app-like shortcuts on your Xbox home. If something breaks, pages won't load or sync fails, clear Edge's cache, ensure network is stable, switch to desktop site, and restart the browser. These steps resolve most issues quickly. If sign-in still fails, try removing and re-adding your Google account in the browser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.